Hey guys, to buy ripples on Kraken, you need to create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and then place a buy order. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit trade at the bottom right, and I'm gonna buy crypto with cash. Search for ripples or XRP. Once you select ripples, enter the amount in USD and select the payment method. You can pay with Tether or cash, Apple Pay, or MasterCard. Okay. Afterwards, what you're gonna do, just hit right here the arrow to continue, and basically Kraken will take a fee, right? And then eventually you're gonna execute if you have 15 bucks in your account. You're gonna hit confirm, and you're gonna wait for a few moments so you can deposit ripples on Kraken. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.